Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I got a package. It's from Choice Music LA. So I already opened it because don't want my address to show. So we're just gonna throw this over here. Oh, I saw nothing except I saw something. Oh, if that's who I think it is, y'all, I'm okay. Okay. I don't. Okay, I'm gonna push this down just a smidge. Okay, so this is the ATEEZ Summer Photo Book. I don't even remember like what it's called. I don't even wanna. I was trying to not spoil myself until the end, but like I feel okay. It's here. I'm gonna put this somewhere and like put the sticker on top so I can't see. Okay. Sorry, I feel so dramatic, but like I don't want to know who I got. You know, like I want it to be a surprise. Are these the freebies? Okay, so Choice always gives freebies. So there's that. I got my boy Woo Young. And I saw y'all saying, wow, I'm happy with these. Okay. So let's get rid of the bubble wrap. Ooh, here is the photo book. I'm very excited. So this is the front. 8 makes one team. ATEEZ. Oh. ATEEZ Summer Photo Book. They're really trying to confuse me. ATEEZ Summer Photo Book. And this goes this way. So that is it. So let us open this up. I'm very excited. I'm pretty sure I saw who I got. Pretty sure. But it's okay. So here's this. Okay. Open. I don't want to break it. Okay. I feel like this is distracting. I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay. Oh, that's right. It comes with this like pouch. Oh my gosh, it comes with so much stuff. Okay. I'm gonna move this out of the way. So it comes with, I think, a postcard set. I wasn't expecting to get this so soon, so I'm really excited. Oh, oh wait, they say stuff on the back. Oh, okay. Some wall tip for summer. Oh, that's so cute. I mean, you know. Sorry if I pronounce people's names wrong. I really apologize. I'm so bad with names. Did they write all of these? I can't tell. San. Oh, they did. They did write all of them. That's super cute. Oh, Mingy. Ah. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. They are so cute. Like, stop. Like, they're all adorable. Yes. Okay. That. I'm going to put these back in here for now. If I can, because I'm a ditz. So that, let's look at this, the pouch. If I can open it. Okay. 8 makes one team. Yes. Sorry. Oh, this is just cute. Like, I don't even know what I would use this for, but it's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, is it registered trademark? Sorry, that's exciting in my eyes. That's very exciting. So this is the inside. It's pretty, like, material is like, I don't know, it would be good for like watery things, if that makes any sense. Like if you're going to the beach, this would be good. So that's cute. I'm gonna put that there. So this is the DVD. Yes, DVD. Oh, really cute. I like it. If I can put that back in. And then anything on the back? Our summer. That's cute. Okay. Summer photo book, photo diary. Hongjoong's hair was literally my favorite thing in the history of history. Which sounds dramatic, but it's like true. Okay, this. Sorry, the flash is kind of flashy, huh? Did I miss someone? I missed someone. Son and Mingi. How could I miss them? Oh my. I keep skipping people. Woo Young and Jung. Oh. This is so cute. This is so cute. I can't. Like, it's so cute. Oh. It's so freaking cute. I love it. I love it so much. Honestly. I really, really like this. Oh, my favorite color. It was nice. I don't know if you can see that right there. Oh, that's it. That's the end. Okay, so there's that. Again, I want to put this back in just because I get scared, you know? And then here's the actual photo book. It's all wrapped, which is interesting. So let's go here. Ooh, I hate opening things. Oh, come on. Sorry, I'm struggling. Okay. So let me try to move this stuff out of the way. Okay. So summer photo book. I'm going to push in a little, I think. Ooh. Hopefully that's okay. This is really cute. Oh, I love it. They're so cute. I keep saying that, but it's true. They're so cute. Like, stop. Look at them. Wait. Can't even, like, see Jongho. Oh. They're so cute. His hair. His hair is everything. These photos, like this is amazing. Oh, you're fine. I like the concept. It's cute. Sun, oh, with a watermelon. Oh, this. I've seen this photo. trending on Twitter. I didn't realize it was from this. Young. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Yoonho. They look so good. Mingy. For anyone who doesn't know, because I don't think I've told anyone on my YouTube, but Mingy is my bias, so yes. Jongho. He is such a cutie. Like, he's so cute. Oh my god, look at them. They're so cute. They kill me. Oh my gosh, a different concept. Oh. Is this in English? Sorry. Okay. Oh my god, did they draw those? I'm sorry. So cute. Oh, that's nice. Yes, serve them looks. Yes, sir. Yes. Oh. I am here for this. I am here for it. Sorry if I'm going a little fast. But, oh my gosh, look how good he looks. But yeah. I just like to look through these fast. Oh my god. They really look really good, I have to say. Like, they all look really good. I'm so glad I bought this. I really like buying photo books, even though I like look at them once and then never look at them again. But it's just, I don't know, it's nice to have. It's like a moment in time, kind of like a yearbook. That makes no sense, I'm sorry. Oh my god, these are so cute. Ah, he's wearing my favorite color. Oh my gosh, sorry. Anyways. Oh my god. I am here for this. I'm here for it. I'm literally here for it. He's got alcohol. Stop. I don't know why that cracks me up so much. Look at him in my favorite color with like perfect. I can't. They look so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like this. He phenomenal. I'm sorry. They look amazing. They all look amazing. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Day 3. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love it. It's like a little diary. It's so cute. I'm so happy they did this. And that's it for the photo book. So that's everything that came in here that I can see. So I kind of want to put everything back first. Sorry if it's a little annoying. It's just because I get anxious. Was it this way? Must have been that way. Right? I'm not sure. Must be like this, right? Yes. Okay. So that is the photo book. So, oh, I forgot the freaking DVD. I would forget the DVD. Okay, let's put that in here. Ooh, okay. Okay, now we're done. So, woo. Okay. Here, oh my gosh, I don't want to see. So here's the choice sticker that I was covering. So here is the, does it say? Okay, it doesn't say who it is. Okay. Oh, I told you, I think I know who it is, so. I cannot believe I got Songhwa. Oh my god. He's my second bias. So I saw this photo card and I was like, oh my god, I really want it. I want Mingi's too, but I really wanted Songhwa's. I cannot believe I got him. Like, that's crazy. That's that's insane to me. I don't think I'm a lucky person, if I'm being honest. Oh my god. Like, this man right here, like, look at him. I'm sorry. Anyways, so this has been my unboxing. Thank you for viewing. Yes, I'm gonna leave here with Songhwa just looking amazing. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you.